has its time. So be patient. God knows what is best for you. Embrace the process, and you will step into your purpose. Remember, the tallest tree was once just a seed. Growth takes time, and during that time, you are being molded and strengthened for what lies ahead. There is a time for every purpose under heaven. You don't need to rush, you need faith. At the right time, everything will fall into place. The lessons you've learned along the way will make the victory even sweeter. The battles will be won, the tears will dry, and victory will come. And when that moment arrives, you'll look back and say, it was worth it. God's timing is a mystery. We won't always understand it, and that's okay. It's not our role to always understand the why or when, but to trust that God is always working behind the scenes for our good. In your prayer, ask for God's plans and dreams for your life to come to pass, because His plans are always greater and better than ours. Believe that everything you're going through is preparing you for the blessings to come. If you believe this, comment, "God's timing is perfect," and share this message with someone who needs it today.